Welcome to this week. I feel goofy doing a welcome. Okay, here are the directions for this week. What you are looking at is my Canvas page for you. Okay. If we go up, you see the Enlightenment and the French Revolution thing, which you should have already done. If you haven't, do you need to go back and watch these videos and get these notes? But for this week, we have this right here, nationalism. Okay. All right, to show you this, I'm going to go into student view. Okay, so it'll actually look the way yours is going to look. Okay, so this week you have nationalism. All right. First thing you're going to see is the directions and welcome. There will be a video this video will be right underneath that. All right. Then underneath that, you see the daily hangouts, the nationalism vocab, which is an assignment that is due this week. And then you have the vocab video that goes with it. And then you have your 3 notes videos this week. So if you click on directions, okay, it'll pop it up in here eventually. Or if you want to download it, just click right here, which is what I'm going to go ahead and do so I can see the whole document quickly. Okay. So, hi. All right, so this right here tells you what is expected of you this week. I have divided it. That is AP. Let me pause this video. Okay, fingers crossed this works. So I fixed it, all right? So it's not AP anymore. Just kidding. See, it says pre-AP nationalism directions. Okay, first thing, I have divided it into like days of the week. You do not have to do it that way. If you want to do all of it in, I don't know, 3 hours tomorrow, dude, awesome. Or if you want to go slower and do a little bit each day, that's cool. All right. However works best for you. That being said, on Monday, you have vocab. Okay. I did include the YouTube links here, but it's a lot easier to use Canvas. That's why I want everybody on Canvas because all you do is click it, boom, you're there. I can't click it here and be sent anywhere. All right. So that being said, what you're going to do is you're going to use your glossary that I gave you at the beginning of the year, or the dictionary, or the video that I've provided you to complete the vocab. I'll show you in a minute on Canvas how to do that. Then on Tuesday, you have a video about the unification of Germany. We don't have Prussia anymore. Now we have Germany, and this is when it happens, as well as Italy. Then you have the Latin American revolutions, which is Brazil, South American revolutions, and Mexico. And then you have, and I think that's the longest video. It's a longer video. It's like 20 minutes. The others are like 10. But then you have information about England and Queen Victoria. Then technically Friday is a holiday, so chill, take the day off. Yeah. Then if you scroll down a little bit, there's some information here about how to get into Canvas if you're still having problems. You shouldn't be anymore. If you are, ask, okay? But you go here and you enroll in my class. You may have to set up a new account, or we figured out how the app works. Guys, I sent you an email that yesterday, actually, Saturday morning, with this video in it right here. We have figured out the app. I didn't know how to answer your questions either because I couldn't make the app work. My class was not like registered or whatever for Canvas. It is now, so we're good. And so that video will show you how it works. If you need the enroll code, it's right here. All right. There's no reason for you to not be able to get into Canvas, but if it's an issue, ask. The dog is growling. Then under here is just basic contact stuff, which you should already have, but email and then remind. Okay. Then under here, it talks about Google Hangouts. We are available to you. We have to be available at least twice, but we're available to you. I am available to you at 11:30 and 1. So we're kind of straddling lunch, okay? In Google Hangouts, if you haven't used it yet, it's just like Zoom, all right? It's like I'm talking to you, you're talking to me, and other people. Okay. But these are not the apps. These are the links, the ways to get in. It's also in Canvas. And in Canvas, all you do is click join and you're there. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But if not, you're going to have to like copy and paste this, all right, into your little address bar on your phone or whatever. But the 11:30 hangout and the 1 o'clock hangout, they have different join things. I mean, if you look at these numbers, they're different. All right. So be sure if it's 1 o'clock, you do the 1 o'clock stuff. If it's 11:30, you do the 11:30 stuff. I'm not going to actually like teach in Google Hangouts. I'm using the pre-recorded videos for that. Okay. But this is for like if you want to pop in and you have like a face-to-face question that you need, or if you need help with, I don't know, something, we can do it then. Just understand, look right here, online behavior. Understand those Google Hangouts are public. It is not just you and me. All right. You'll be able to see everybody that's involved as well. All right. So that being said, what you say is public. Please understand that, which means, do I want cussing in class? No, I don't want cussing here either. All right. Here's kind of a list of things that you need to remember as you're doing this. Guys, this is still a classroom. Even though it's online, it's still class. All right. So you should like when people are stating opinions, you should still respect opinions. Please remember, I'm your teacher. I'm not just this person that's on the other end of a computer. So be sure that you check out all this stuff for like rules and etiquette. Okay. All right. So that's the very first thing that you're going to see let me get out of this too, so that everything will look just like it will for you. So that's the very first thing that you're going to see. There we go. Whenever you go into Canvas, you will see nationalism. See, I changed it. Directions. Okay, let me go to student view again. So it'll look just like how it'll look for you. Maybe. Why can't I go into student view? Oh, sheesh. Okay, I should be in student view now. In fact, I am. I'm good. Okay, so there's those nationalism directions that I just went over with you. And then again, this video will be right underneath that, okay? Or actually right above that. Then you have your Hangout links. Again, if it's 11:30, you're gonna go to this one. If it's 1, you're gonna go to this one, because I'm telling you they're different, all right? So all you do is click here, and then join, you click. Now, if you want to do it on your phone, cool. You type in this number and then you have a pin. Or literally just click right there. See why Canvas is so much easier? Okay, it'll take you here. Hi guys. It'll take you here and then it says join now. You'll be able to see like who's in here. All right. So it's my mom's cuckoo clock. So anyway, you hit join now. Look, I'm in a Google Hangout. Eventually, when all of y'all are getting in, like we'll be able to see like everybody's happy little face, and we'll be able to talk in the whole 9 yards. Okay, it's great. So let me get out of here. Okay, and let me get out of here. The 1 o'clock hangout looks the exact same. Oh, I need to unlock it. That's okay, no big deal. Okay, then you have your assignment for the week. I'm sorry, your activity for the week. You have a video about the activity right here. I'll explain that in a minute. And then you have your actual activity here. Okay, it says complete using a dictionary, the glossary that I gave you at the beginning of the year, or by watching the provided video, which is right underneath this on the main page. Then email me a picture of the completed vocab or text me a picture of it on Remind. Or if you do it right here, when you hit submit, it goes straight to me. So easy. All right, when's it due? Next Monday. You have a week. Next Monday. Guys, these are quote unquote real activities now. Okay. Okay. So all you do is you click it right here. And there it is. If you want to type directly into this, that's totally cool, but you're going to need to hit enable editing. Okay. And then see? Okay. So there will be right underneath here. All right. I'll show you in a minute, but there's going to be a video where if you don't have your glossary that I gave you at the beginning of the school year, or if you don't want to use Google, or if you don't want to use a dictionary, I'm literally your glossary. So like in this video that is right underneath here, I'm like, okay, the word Kaiser means, and then you look and find Kaiser. Okay. So after I tell you the word Kaiser is the German word for emperor, you're like, and you find it. Okay. Nobody better miss number 5, guys. You type in Kaiser. Do you think spelling counts? Once you're done with this whole thing, you do need to save it. Okay. File, save as. Guys, I would look what I've done. All right, this is my distance learning thing. I would definitely suggest making a folder if you're on a laptop. Now, it's different, obviously, if you're like doing all this on your phone, your app, or whatever. But I would suggest if you're on your laptop or a Chromebook or whatever it is you have, make a world history folder that you can drop stuff into. All right. So, anyway, just think of the world history folder on here as your like notebook. Okay. So, anyway, you're going to come in and actually save it. Let me go to pre-AP, and I'm just going to save this as week 1 example. Okay. I hit save. Okay. Let me get out of this. There we go. And then let me go back here. When you're ready to submit your assignment, you see up here, submit. And I am allowing you 2 different ways to submit your assignments, okay? You can either file upload, which is what I just did, I'll show you in a minute, or you can text entry. If we're gonna file upload, you just hit choose file, and you find whatever file you just use. So like I just did week 1 example with y'all. And then I hit submit. Look, submitted. Check that out. You can resubmit if you want to do it a different way, or I don't know if you did it wrong or something. I'm going to resubmit so I can show you the text entryway. If you just want to do text only, all right. If you want to have, I don't know. Let me think about let me do this. If you want to have your nationalism vocab pulled up, there we go. If you want to have your nationalism vocab pulled up, why can't I pull it up? What's going on? There we go. Pulled up like this, all right? And if you want to go, okay, number 1 is, what is number 1? Okay, you all better get number 1 right too. Uh-oh. If you want to go, number 1 is, yeah. Number 2 is, blah, blah, blah. Number 3 is, blah, 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 blah. Okay. You go in, you do all 14 of them, and then you click submit. That's even easier. The only issue doing it that way is, I mean, you need to know these vocab words. So that's a lot easier to do it that way, but just understand we will, I think next week, start adding in quizzes. So if all you know is 1, 2, 3, that doesn't help you. Okay. So you do need them to go together. But you just hit submit, and then look, again, it says when you submitted it. Cool? Easy, easy. I'll show you my end in just a minute. Okay, so once we go back, come on. Okay, that was where we just were, nationalism vocab. And this right here shows you it's an assignment. See? Discussion topic. Look right here. File, attachment, whatever. These are videos. All right. So right here, you have the nationalism vocab video. You click play, and this is my happy little self.
I just sneezed. Like who I am as a
See, going through all of those vocab words. So again, I'm your glossary. I'm telling you what each word means. All right. Okay, that is due. Look right here. April 13th. That's next Monday. Guys, we're taking grades. Okay, then underneath here, you see notes. When you click on notes, you'll see them pop up in here eventually. There we go. Or just like with the vocab, you can download it. All right. See there? All your notes. If you want to, dang, that's imperialism. I will fix that. If you want to, come on. Okay, if you want to go in and just print out these notes, cool. If you want to keep them all nice and pretty and stuff and like with your spirals, cool, write it down. But you are responsible for this material. All right, when I see you again and whenever it is, you're responsible for knowing this stuff. All right, right here is the videos or are the videos explaining the notes. So again, just like with the other video, you click on the unification of Germany and Italy, it'll take you to a video where I, see there's me up there, am actually teaching you this stuff. All right. So it's not like I'm sending you elsewhere to somebody else. I'm actually teaching you this stuff. Okay. If I go here, let me leave student view. Oh, there we go. Look right here. It shows me that somebody has turned in their nationalism vocab. So I come in and I click it and I see these answers and it'll say me up here. Okay. So this is so easy. Like I love this. The issue is you getting in. All right. So again, if you're having issues getting into Canvas, you need to email me and you need to look at that video that I sent out yesterday morning. That is also in your directions. If you need it, the directions, because I'm telling you, this fixes all of our problems. I was having problems. Y'all were having problems. We're good now. It's this video right here. It says Canvas for Distance Learning. It's right here. You need to be sure that you go watch that. All right. I emailed it and reminded it to you yesterday morning. That'll get you into Canvas. Okay, I think that's it. So I will see you tomorrow if you choose to come into Google Hangouts. Yeah. Bye. Or actually, not tomorrow. I guess today because you're getting this on Monday. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bye.